I took my drone today to Trillium Lake in the morning. I wanted to catch the sunrise, and this is what I got. I had to crop this part of the video a little bit because the sun was hitting on the side and I was getting a really bad lens glare. And well, here I'm literally facing the sun, but I don't know, I kind of like the shot. The photos that I have here were taken with a Fujifilm X100V with an Ilford HP5 film simulation for that one. Here I tried to capture a little bit of foreground with the grass. There were people fishing. But it looked fun. Look at this guy. Nice, very nice. In this shot I'm trying to capture the sunbeam that is hitting the rock and the mountain at the same time. And yeah, again, black and white, love black and white. Then I went back to my car and I was pretty hungry by then. I woke up at 4 AM to get this shot, so had a little bit of coffee, got my peanut butter jelly sandwich and drove to Mount Hood. There's this area in Mount Hood where you can park. There's a Mount Hood Vista Point. During the weekends it's full of people always, so I saw it empty and I decided to just stop and bring the drone up again. I am using a DJI Mini 4 Pro, and all these shots were raw files that then I edited with Lightroom. It was a nice way to start the day, for sure.